नमस्ते। मैं आपका डॉक्टर श्रीनिवास, डेक्कन एक्सोटिक्स फार्म संगारेड्डी। आज हमारे साथ है गोपी श्रीधर जी, हमारे मलूमा फार्मर, वी कैन से फर्स्ट मलूमा फार्मर इन तेलुगु स्टेट्स। गोपी जी, आपके इससे पहले भी हमने एक वीडियो किया था 2 महीने पहले, तकरीबन वो जून जुलाई में हमने एक वीडियो किया था। वो पोस्ट स्पेशली समर और समर का प्रिकॉशंस, वो समय में हमने इसका पहला वीडियो दिया था। अभी इसका फॉलोअप सेकंड वीडियो हम अगस्त फर्स्ट सेकंड वीक में है अभी, और वी वांटेड टू शो आवर व्यूअर्स कि व्हाट रियली हाउ मलूमा इज परफॉर्मिंग, उसका पोस्ट स्पेशली जो समर इफेक्ट्स क्या है, और फ्रूट रिटेन हुआ है या व्हाट ऑल हैपेंड। सर प्लीज एक्सप्लेन अबाउट दिस थिंग सर। इससे पहले थोड़ा अगर नए व्यूअर्स है तो सर का परिचय। सर इज गोपी श्रीधर जी, one of the most advanced avocado farmer, one of the earliest avocado adopters, farming adopters in Telugu states, we can say. Sir, कहाँ पे हम, where are we located?
We are located near Chilkur Temple, Moinabad, and I planted these Maluma plants in 2022 September, about 40 plants, and this is the second crop you're seeing now. The first crop was per plant we received about 5-10 fruits only, and this time we have about anywhere from 30 to 70 fruits depending on the plant. And the flowering was started in December first week, second week, and fruit set happened around January, February.
Yes, yes. What was the temperature, sir, during that time here?
During that time it was about 40, 41, 42.
In summer?
In summer the highest was 43.
43. And especially when fruits to flower to fruit set, sir, what was the temperatures?
That time the temperature was between 39 and 41.
Okay.
Yeah, 39 and 41.
Especially in the fruit set time,
Yeah.
February, March.
Yeah.
February, March.
Yeah.
Okay. एंड इसमें आपने सेट में फ्लावरिंग देखा है सर, नहीं तो एक ही बार फ्लावरिंग आया?
Two sets actually.
Two sets. Okay.
Two sets.
So first
was in December first week.
Yes sir.
And the second one started sometime in mid-January.
Mid-January. Okay. Yeah. So फ्लावर से फ्रूट सेट होने के लिए कितने दिन लगे सर आपको?
Anywhere from 6 weeks to 8 weeks, you can say. So average.
Yeah. So for example, अभी दिसंबर में फ्लावरिंग आया तो वो जनवरी सेकंड वीक तक फ्रूट सेट हो जाता है। अगर वो जनवरी सेकंड वीक के बाद फ्लावरिंग आ रहा है तो ऑलमोस्ट अंटिल मार्च फर्स्ट वीक। So that is where we see the temperature rise of 38 to 40 degrees. So what was the fruit set, sir? वो सब जो फ्लावर आता है उस सारा फ्रूट सेट होता है, नहीं तो?
No, fruit set is always it's like mango.
Yes.
Mango you can have say about 5% fruit set, whereas in avocado it's just 1%.
1% fruit set. Okay. And especially जो अप्रैल महीने में आपको फ्रूट ड्रॉप होते हुए देखा सर, या जनवरी फरवरी में ज़्यादा ड्रॉप होते हुए देखा आपने?
Fruit set drop I didn't notice much. Main problem that I faced was this mosquito bug.
Tea mosquito. Yeah.
That's what caused
a lot of damage. So this year हमने यहाँ पे especially Hyderabad में we have firstly seen tea mosquito bug especially during Feb and March. So इससे पहले हमें कभी उसका इंसिडेंट नहीं देखा है एवोकाडो में, and especially from Goa and other plantations we have now seen tea mosquito bug. So हमने तो सर what we did in Sangareddy was we gave one spray. So how did you control about it?
That's
sir?
The same thing. We did one spray and it is controlled 100%.
Okay.
But the damage already happened.
Damage happened.
It's almost like we lost like more than 30% of the
30% of the fruit set. हमारे viewers के लिए this is one alert. So please look at once the fruit is going to set. अगर टी बग इंसिडेंस है तो गो फॉर प्रिवेंटिव स्प्रे विच कैन हेल्प प्रिवेंट टी बग इंसिडेंस एंड फ्रूट ड्रॉप। सो फ्रूट ड्रॉप स्पेशली फ्रूट ड्रॉप आप अप्रैल में कुछ नहीं देखा सर आपने?
No fruit drop
at all. And लेट समर आपने कुछ फ्रूट ड्रॉप देखा है?
Not in Maluma.
Not in Maluma. Other varieties sir, like
On the green skin varieties,
there was a fruit drop.
fruit drop.
So takriban sir, let us say that first flush is now ready, almost ready to harvest.
Ready.
And second flush आपको especially आपको अगस्त second week में first flush harvest होने के लिए ready है sir. So August mid August to September we can expect the fruiting here sir.
Yeah, August, September, and October.
Okay.
That will be the last batch.
Last batch.
Yeah.
So what is the maximum size you have seen sir? Because I have seen your data. You
Yeah.
collect each sir का I mean analysis is very interesting. So हर एक plant में उन्होंने एक fruit को tag किया है और उसी fruit को they are been observing over the past 2 months, 3 months.
Yes.
So they are weighing the fruit, seeing what is the growth and in detail analysis sir कर रहे हैं. Especially not only Maluma, Pinkerton, Haas, Lamb Haas, every variety sir has been observing. सर आपका जो observation से पिछले 2 या 3 महीने से which month we see the maximum weight put on by the fruit sir?
The maximum is the last 1 month.
Last 1 month.
Last 30 days.
Last 30 days we
Last
see,
30 days.
especially once the temperatures have come down.
Yeah, temperatures have come down, and there was some rains also.
Yeah.
I don't know whether that caused
That
it
caused.
or whether the process itself is after certain
Time.
the
Yes sir.
fruit weighs more.
And आपका observation sir, what was the average fruit size of Maluma?
Maluma, in my farm, the average, the matured fruit is average 240.
240 grams.
240.
240 is a very good size. We can say it's around size 16. So our important thing here, sir does only completely organic practices here. So there is no much chemical or fertilizer into it. इसके बावजूद sir is able to get around 250 grams. That's a very positive note what we can see.
Yeah, the bigger one is like 270, 280 was the
280 was the biggest size.
Biggest size. So, yeah.
So on an average में sir we have around, let us say आपने 30 fruit से 70 fruit बोला है, उसमें which average weight you see sir, majority of the fruit?
I mean, there are in 3 different stages the fruits are.
Yeah.
The first batch is average is around between anywhere from 200 to 240.
240.
Right
The first flush wala sir.
The first flush. Yeah.
Okay, first flush. Okay.
Yeah, first flush. The second flush is like it's 50 grams less.
50 grams less. Sir. Okay.
Yeah, and the third one is like 75 grams less.
So we can also see that
125,
yeah,
150, 200.
200. So I mean जो last month of the fruit stages है, उसी में we are seeing around fruit growth, especially during that time. And any more observations you have seen sir for Maluma, which has
Maluma, what I noticed is the fruit drop is very less,
yes sir,
and size also grows reasonably
yes
as expected.
as expected.
Yeah.
And tentatively sir आपका what is the spacing of the plant sir, how many
Okay,
places?
I planted these on a very ultra high density.
Ultra high density,
It's like 8 feet by 9 feet.
8 by 9 feet.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a very high density plantations. And आपने I think 50 to 70 fruit is really good sir, and tentatively let us say that 12 to 15 kg के आसपास आप fruiting ले रहे हैं.
Mhm.
And we'll keep the viewers posted on the things of Maluma. Sir, do you suggest anything for the viewers sir, which variety should we go with, only one variety or multiple varieties, or how would be easy for a farmer to choose?
I suggest multiple variety. The reason is depends on weather also.
Yeah.
So if there is a severe weather conditions, one way or the other, one variety will get
Affected.
affected.
Definitely sir,
So
because we don't know what is going to happen,
right.
especially flowering and fruiting time. अगर बारिश आ गई तो that is gone.
Right.
So if
So
we
if you
choose
have
multiple varieties, okay,
Yeah,
so
you can
that
reduce the risk.
reduce the risk. Yes sir. Thank you sir. Thank you very much.